Hey there everyone! Welcome back to Tech Made Simple, where we make technology easy for you. Today we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: online shopping. We'll be covering the future of shopping, how to navigate online stores safely and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the online world, stick around because we've got some essential tips and tricks to keep your shopping experience smooth and secure. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. Online shopping can be a breeze if you know what to look out for. Let's start with some simple steps to make your experience safer and more enjoyable. Step 1. Use reputable websites. Always shop from well-known and trusted websites. Look for URLs that start with https:// The S stands for secure. A padlock icon next to the URL is also a good sign. Fun fact: did you know that over 46% of consumers have fallen for fake websites? Don't be part of that statistic. Stick to sites you know or have been recommended by friends or family. Step 2. Use strong, unique passwords. Create strong passwords that are a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password across multiple sites. A password manager can help you keep track of them. Common mistake: using password 123 or 123456. These are the most hacked passwords. Change them up to something only you would know. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone gets your password, they'd still need your phone or email to log in. It might seem like an extra step, but it's worth it for the added security. Step 4. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Avoid making purchases on public Wi-Fi networks. They can be less secure and more vulnerable to hackers. If you need to shop on the go, use your phone's data plan instead. Quick tip: if you must use public Wi-Fi, use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. Step 5. Monitor your accounts regularly. Keep an eye on your bank statements and shopping accounts for any suspicious activity. The sooner you catch a problem, the easier it is to resolve. Did you know over 15 million Americans were victims of identity theft last year? Regular monitoring can help you catch unauthorized purchases early. Step 6. Use secure payment methods. Credit cards and secure payment services like PayPal offer better protection than debit cards. They often have fraud protection measures in place. Avoid direct bank transfers or using your debit card for online purchases if you can. Credit cards are safer. Step 7. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Scammers often lure people in with unbelievably low prices. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Quick tip: research the seller if you're unsure. Check reviews and ratings from other customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can shop online safely and effectively. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in keeping your personal information secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Made Simple for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you next time.